This is a 1927 Maytag Model 82 washing machine with a early model 1928 Maytag Model 92 gas hit and miss engine, 2-stroke. It's got the ringer on it. It's all pretty complete. This agitator spins nice and free. Everything's really there and it's all good shape. Everything works. There's the clutch for the agitator. There's the clutch for the ringer. Here's the kickstart paddle. Let's give it a kick and maybe it'll start. No muffler on it yet, but it's all right. The agitator on. Ringer. Reverse, forward, neutral. Shut it off. Just pull on this little knob. And that's it. Thanks for watching.